This is Mr. Jerry, running a business in India. Few months ago, he was planning to develop a mobile app that helps to broadcast his business globally through the smartphone users. But he could not understand how to avail the best mobile app development service near him. At the meantime, one of his friends suggested him to contact the expert web developers of Zebra Techies Solution. Browsing through their website, Mr. Jerry got to know that this leading website development company has earned a reputation of building custom-made mobile applications that meet all the business goals and increase profitability. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced mobile app developers who provide successful mobile strategy for enterprise, startup and non-profit organizations. They are expertise in creating mobile apps that offer a practical and seamless experience in any device. And the best part is that, their offered guaranteed web development service is available at affordable budget. So, without wasting his time, he immediately contacted them and got the most responsive mobile app for his brand. Are you planning something like this? Get in touch with their expert mobile app developers by dialing +91 9,432,929,492. To know more, visit https://zebratechies.com/.